slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do, so
by the time this video go out, it'll be like a week. Should have been posted these on the channel, bitch. Yeah, we got that awful. You took Virgil swag with the little window? That's crazy. What happened to Virgil, nigga? There. No piss. Yeah, let's do it, bro. This box. Man, she got to cut that right there, bro. Fire. Solid ass, thick ass box right here. Probably why these are 200. You get Cactus Jack on the front right there, bro. They do come in the bag, bro. Cactus Jack. Jordan. This little ass bag. Who the fuck will walk around rocking this bag, bro? Oh, they got wax tips on it? Yeah. Alright. We in fucking 4K too. I should see the crest on my hand, bitch. Yeah. Damn. Where the sticker at? I don't see the sticker, bro. It was individually wrapped though. Oh, there it goes. Over time. Let's see it. We got Cactus Jack all over the shit. Damn, Mike. Ooh, we pay for all this extra paper. Yeah. That sway is buttery. Yeah, I don't want no QC problems on my shit. Look a little nicked up. Niggas don't know what these is. I don't know what these is, bro, so I ain't gonna hate on you this time. And he got his own shoes up, man. T-REXX. Pissed on. Alright, now too much paper now, bro. Too much paper, bro. My shoestrings out, bitch. There they is, bitch. I got a ring light in a little store, a little stand on the way. Yeah. I'm hungry. Come with the black laces on it though. You got the strap on deck, bruh. Yeah. I don't think I'm never gonna strap it up though. Back where it's a little bit beat. These look like some dunks and some fours had a baby. These look just like some dunks, bro. And some fours. It's mesh. It's nice. Fucking right. When they start putting the bags on the fucking right shoe, oh, that's weird. Forget about that. I guess we'll never know. Like each other right way to the inside, bro.